Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like going to street markets?
Yes, I enjoy them because they are a great way to experience local culture, explore the surrounding area, and find unique and interesting items that you won't find in a shop. You can also usually find some great deals.
Question number 2. Are there many street markets in your country?
Yes, my country has a lot of street markets. They are especially popular during the summer, when people flock to buy fresh produce, unique souvenirs, and browse the stalls. Many of them feature live music and entertainment, making them ideal for socializing with friends and family.
Question number 3. What are the common goods for sale in street markets?
Fresh produce, spices, meat, fish, clothing, jewelry, crafts, shoes, tools, electronics, and household items are common items for sale in street markets.
Question number 4. Do you think people like street markets?
Street markets are popular for a variety of reasons. Many people enjoy the atmosphere of street markets, where people from all walks of life congregate to bargain and haggle for their goods. It's also a great way to support local businesses and find one-of-a-kind items that aren't available in stores. Furthermore, many street markets feature live music and entertainment, making them an enjoyable place to spend time with family and friends.
Question number 5. What are the benefits of shopping at a street market?
Shopping at a street market is an excellent way to become acquainted with a new culture. You can enjoy the sights, sounds, and smells of another culture while also saving money on products.
Question number 6. When you travel abroad, do you go to street markets?
Yes, I frequently visit the local street markets when I travel abroad. It's a great way to experience local culture while also finding unique items that you won't find in a shop. I also enjoy haggling and bargaining with vendors because it can be a fun and exciting experience. You can also usually find some great deals. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.